Hey everyone, Evan here, and today we have something very special for you. A first hands-on with a brand new laptop from our friends at MSI, the GS65 Stealth Thin, which packs a GeForce GTX 1070 with Max-Q design in a thin and light form factor. There are a few things that immediately stand out when looking at this laptop. It's incredibly thin, only 17.7 millimeters, and surprisingly light, weighing in at less than 4 pounds. MSI managed to cram a 15.6-inch display in a 14-inch body with an 82% screen-to-body ratio. While thin bezels thankfully are becoming increasingly common, this is still rare to find on a gaming laptop, and it looks incredible. Speaking of design, MSI have moved to a handsome gold color accent, giving the GS65 a more premium look and feel. But it's not all about the looks. How does this laptop perform? Powered by a GeForce GTX 1070 with Max-Q design and a 6-core Coffee Lake processor, there should be plenty of power to drive the full HD panel. We've seen the Max-Q GeForce GTX 1070 average 80 or so frames per second in games like Call of Duty World War II and around 70 frames per second in Middle-earth Shadow of War, both at ultra settings. Plus, it packs a Thunderbolt 3 port in case you want to hook into an external GPU. A quick note on this display, this is the very first laptop to have a 144Hz refresh rate and a thin bezel IPS display. Couple that with a powerful GeForce GTX 1070 with Max-Q design, and you'll have few issues hitting those high refresh rates in most games. This laptop comes with a surprisingly large battery, given how incredibly portable it is. MSI crammed a whopping 82 watt-hour battery into this thin chassis and says you should get over 8 hours of non-gaming battery life. That is amazing. No longer do you have to choose between productivity and gaming when picking out a laptop. So let's recap. The MSI GS65 is an all-new gaming laptop rocking a GeForce GTX 1070 with Max-Q design, a new 6-core Coffee Lake CPU, a thin bezel display, and a massive battery, all stuffed into a stunningly thin and light chassis. Are we living in a golden age?